EBS snapshots are a crucial feature for backing up and recovering your data in Amazon Web Services. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create and manage EBS snapshots effectively to protect your cloud infrastructure. EBS snapshots are point-in-time backups of your Elastic Block store volumes. These backups are automatically stored in Amazon S3, providing durable and reliable storage. Snapshots work incrementally, meaning only the blocks that have changed since your last snapshot are saved. This makes them highly efficient and cost-effective. Snapshots are regional resources, but you can copy them across regions when needed for disaster recovery or data migration purposes. EBS snapshots offer 4 major benefits. First, they provide robust data protection against accidental deletion, corruption, or disasters. Second, they enable quick recovery, allowing you to restore volumes rapidly when problems occur. Third, they facilitate easy migration of data across different regions and even across AWS accounts. Fourth, they're cost-efficient because you only pay for the actual changed data that's stored, not for duplicate blocks. Creating a snapshot through the AWS Console is straightforward. First, navigate to the EC2 dashboard, then go to Elastic Block Store and select Volumes. Next, select the volume you want to back up from the list. Then, click on Actions and choose Create Snapshot. Finally, add a meaningful description and any relevant tags to help organize your snapshots, then click Create Snapshot to initiate the backup process. You can also create snapshots using the AWS command line interface. The command is a WSEC2 create snapshot, followed by the volumid parameter with your actual volume identifier, and the description parameter with your backup description. Remember to replace the example volume ID shown here with your actual EBS volume identifier before running the command. Restoring data from a snapshot is just as simple. First, navigate to the EC2 dashboard and select Snapshots from the menu. Next, select the specific snapshot you want to restore from. Then, click Actions and choose Create Volume from Snapshot. Finally, configure your volume settings including the size, type, and importantly, select the availability zone where you want the new volume to be created. Follow these best practices to manage snapshots effectively. Use descriptive tags and consistent naming conventions to keep your snapshots organized and easily identifiable. Automate your snapshot creation using AWS Data Lifecycle Manager to ensure regular backups without manual intervention. Delete old and unnecessary snapshots regularly to optimize your storage costs. Finally, test your recovery procedures periodically to ensure your snapshots are working correctly and your data can be restored successfully when needed. Let's recap the key points. EBS snapshots provide incremental, point-in-time backups that save storage space and costs. You can create snapshots easily using either the AWS Console or the AWS command line interface. You can restore volumes from snapshots quickly for disaster recovery scenarios. By following best practices, you can optimize both costs and reliability. Mastering EBS snapshots is essential for protecting your AWS infrastructure and ensuring business continuity.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.